YouTube, and welcome to the Contour 101. My eyebrows are already prepped and I'm going to be going in with the Professional primer, and I'm just rubbing it all over my face, getting it ready for this foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Becca Skin Love Blur Weightless Foundation. I am wanting full coverage, so I'm just blending this in with my damp beauty blender all over my face. I don't really like to put foundation on my forehead because it's not really needed, but I will blend it upwards into my forehead. Next, I'm going to go in with the concealer. So I like to put some under my eyes, under my nose, my chin, down the bridge of my nose, just a little bit on my forehead. So with the damp beauty blender, I'm going to be blending this out. And I like to blend to the side and downwards, like so. And then I like to take the bottom of my beauty blender and kind of blend it into my face. Next, I'm going to blend out my chin, under my nose, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. These are the target areas that you want highlighted when contouring your face. Next, I'm going to be taking some HD Set and Forget, and those same areas that you saw me conceal, I'm going to be putting some powder in those same areas because I want to bake. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my Kylie Jenner Bronze Palettes. And using this color, I'm just going to take my finger and just apply it to my lower lid. I don't want to do anything too crazy with the eyeshadow. I just want to do a soft glam look. So taking this color, I'm just going to blend that in my inner corner, just above my lower lid. And I'm going to use my contour palette, the darkest color, to kind of put that color in my crease and just blend it out like so. Now using that same contour palette, using a slightly lighter color, I am going to use that color to contour my nose. I don't want my shadowing to be too harsh. Now I am contouring my cheeks with that same color. Now with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and press this powder in because we are done baking. Rather than wiping it off, I just want to press it in to give myself that radiant look. Okay, so now I want to take that same powder from earlier and contour our cheeks. So I'm just going to line it up like so. Next, I'm going to take our Kiss bronzer and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks because I want a little bit of highlight action, glow / bronzer action. Next, I am going to go ahead and put blush on our cheeks. Now, I don't own any blush, but I like to use certain eyeshadows that I have. Now, going into this IBY highlighter, I'm just going to apply this to my nose, under my nose, just right above my lip and our cheeks. Next, I'm going to take some white eyeliner and apply that into my lower lash line. Alright, next, using our falsies, we are going to go ahead and apply some mascara to our bottom lashes. And now we are going to apply some mascara to our top lashes. Alright, now that we have our magnetic lashes, the Whitneys, we are going to apply those. Next, using our Pixie by Petra sheer gloss, we're just going to put that on. Now to complete this look, let's seal it all in using our setting spray. Well, this is the final look, and as long as you follow these steps, you can achieve it. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.